Hey folks, Tim Cress here with Cedar Creek, a division of Forest River. We're here to debut the 413 FWC. I'm with DeMontrond RV, and we have a brand new unit, a front living room in this Destination Cottage series. The first thing you'll notice as we walk through is this large entrance door. We've incorporated this 38-inch entrance door on all of our fifth wheel cottages. It gives you nice, ample room to walk through. In addition, this is in the slide box. You'll notice how it gives you so much more room when you walk in this coach. In this brand new floor plan, we've incorporated a half bath along with a nice high top island, large countertop space. As we move over here, you have your nice coffee bar area, pull out residential trash can with trash bag storage here in the back. You have your utensil storage drawer here as well. And then we also changed it up a little bit. Instead of putting the U-shaped dinette or a booth, traditional booth, we have this L-shaped lounge dinette as well. In addition to the other storage, as I mentioned, the coffee bar, we also have the pantry storage over here with pullouts and into the master bedroom. One of the first things you'll notice in here are these tall residential doors with the glass fronts here. Part of this Fifth Wheel Cottage series is to give the overall height and room and space. We've incorporated a ceiling fan in this unit as well. Nice large king size bed. Another large door. In the master bathroom right here, we've got dual vanity sinks, your 48-inch shower, and a nice large window at the top. You also have plenty of linen storage and hanging storage for the customers who have all the clothes for staying the extended amount of time that they're in this unit. The bedroom has a nice tall dresser with a big 50-inch TV. Come on with me, let's check out the front living room. So join me in the living room where we've incorporated a nice wide staircase here with rounded stairway. Nice easy 4-step entrance up to the top here. We have incorporated a large L-shaped chaise lounge here with additional sitting up front as well. We've also appointed a 65-inch TV across from the main seating area here in the front. If you have any questions, come see the team at DeMontrondRV.com or at the February show in Houston.